Hi, my name is Sam Parker, CEO of My Credit Guide. I know it can be frustrating to deal with credit, especially if you're in the home loan process. You want things done and you want them done as quickly as possible. Here's how we're going to achieve that for you. What we'd like to do is start off with a free review. We're going to go through your credit report with you line by line and determine what you disagree with and why. Then we're going to go after those items to get anything that's inaccurate, outdated, or duplicated removed or updated to the correct status. Now, after that process, we're going to be left with items that have either been corrected or that have been legally verified. And at that point, a lot of credit repair companies just continue to dispute items over and over again, or the client gives up. Now, what we will do is have some of our debt resolution specialists get on the phone with those collection companies and resolve these items once and for all. So we're not going to just do one thing and then be done. We're going to figure out what's on that credit report, what shouldn't be there. We're going to help you resolve items. We're going to help you open up positive trade lines if you need them and teach you how to use them, all while giving you a one-on-one relationship with a credit coach who is going to walk you through the process from start to finish and then get you back to your lender so that you and your family can proceed with hopefully buying a home. So if you have any questions, let us know. But more than anything, please take us up on our offer of a free review. We can't wait to help you get started.